This is a video chart presentation of Cellceutix Corporation, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Cellceutix is a bullet board listed company trading under ticker CTIX. It's a technical stock to watch this week. Moving averages have all pulled together. Bollinger Bands are starting to trend upward. After a strong move to end last year from around 30 cents all the way up to pushing near 80 cents, stocks pulled back, consolidating in about a 4-month pattern now, basically between 45 cents and right around 52, 53 cents. But because of the moving average convergence and the Bollinger Band starting to trend upward, stock is slowly making higher lows, and it's one to keep on the watch list for a potential breakout. Seeing the MACD trending back towards zero, holding right around the money line at this point. The push back above zero is a bullish indication. PPO similar position. ADX is pretty neutral, only registering just above 29. Positive and negative DIs down pretty low. Money flow index holding over top of 50. That's a good sign of buying pressure, and that's really strengthened by this long upward path with the accumulation distribution. Indicator tells me that there's a lot of accumulation going in this stock over the last year. Taking money flow holding over top of zero tells me over the last 20 periods buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. CCI is whipsawed back and forth a little bit. Right now pushing to the upper half of the indicator. Per definition, the break of 100 is the buy point. Full stow, it's a momentum indicator. With this stock just basically channeling sideways for several months, it should be expected there's not a great deal of momentum in it. Not really spending much time going into overbought or oversold territory. Tricks like the MACD, it's a good sign of trend. Nice upward path, holding on the upper side of zero. Again, a bullish indication, and a reason it stays on radar for a breakout. Like the full stow, RSIs measure momentum, and throughout the course of these last 3-4 months, neither the bulls nor the bears can gather a lot of momentum in this play, trending right around 50, basically a neutral reading. As far as the candles go, I'd be looking for a bottom support at 45 cents, and just above that it actually appears to be a little bit stronger at 46 cents, so on any pullbacks, I'd certainly want to see those support levels stay intact. Even in the more near term over the last month, a new support level appears to be established at 47, 48 cents. So ideally I'd want to see it hold over top of that near-term support and over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. They're both tucked in, registering 49. If the price per share holds over top of those, inevitably what will happen is they'll start to curl and move upward. In the most bullish of charts, the price per share is holding over top of the 50 and 200-day, and they're both on an upward path. As far as resistance goes, stocks had a difficult time over the last few months closing above 52 cents. That would be a key point I'd be looking for. I'd want to see a close over that, because I'd be looking for these old near-term highs to fall. 54, 55, 57. If it can break through above 52, especially if there's an increase in volume, the odds of it taking out 57 are greatly increased. And what it meets after that is just some secondary resistance around 60 cents, and it's kind of sporadic in through there up to around 64, 65. But the top end resistance starts to come in around 75, 77 cents, and I would suspect that would be a pretty tough spot should this chart break through the top side of this channel and put together a pretty substantial climb. As I mentioned, volume is a little bit low on this play. 42,000 shares traded on Monday. If this is going to take out resistance and really make a run at 57, what I'd be looking for is some tall volume bars to come in. I'd want to see this trading over 100,000 shares a day to solidify the idea that this is going to hold as a new higher low coming off these 30-cent lows and potentially try and make some new higher highs. It's a very nice looking technical chart though. Trend appears to be strong and going into bull mode. And when moving averages pull together like this and Bollinger Bands start to tighten, I look for a larger move to happen. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the CTIX chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.